Thanks for stopping by my channel. My name's Brandon. I'm a creator, an author, a musician. Unfortunately, I don't get to do it full time. And I have a hunch that there are a lot of you out there who feel the same way. You want to create more, you want to do the things that you love more. But what gets in the way more than anything else is time and money. So why, instead of writing, did I spend a substantial amount of time over the last year and a half learning about investing? Because I believe having a strong financial foundation can make it so much easier to take on those risky endeavors. You might not make a lot of money when you start out writing or being a musician. It takes time to build up fans and people who are interested in the work that you're doing. That's where a strong financial foundation comes in for me. Recently, a friend of mine named Chris interviewed me about the work that I've been doing in investing. I've put so much work into learning about investing that I felt comfortable even teaching a webinar on the topic. Leading up to that one webinar, my friend interviewed me, asking me various questions about being an individual investor. In this following clip, I share a little bit about what it means to be an individual investor and why I think I have something valuable to add to that conversation.
The big question that everyone's going to ask is, who are you that we should listen to you about this? Like, what qualifies you to give this advice?
So in some ways, I would say absolutely nothing and absolutely everything. When we're talking about individual investing, that means I myself am doing it. I am not relying on anybody else to manage my money. I'm making all the decisions. I'm the one putting the money into the account, and I am telling where the money should go. There's no financial advisor involved, and there's no bigger institution involved other than a broker, which you need to trade anything on the stock market. So I'm an expert in it because I'm doing it myself. And I'm learning how to do it myself, but I don't have any financial background. I don't have any, I can't sell investments to you. That would be illegal. In fact, I can't even tell you what to do with your money. I can only give broad general advice. If you ask me a specific question, I can't answer that. All I can say is, generally, this is what people think about this topic, but you have to make a decision for yourself. With that being said, I've done a lot of research to make sure that I, as an individual investor, am ready to put my money to use in the best possible way to get the best return on my investment. And being someone who's in a position where I am doing it myself, I have learned a lot, and I feel like I'm ready to kind of share with you and share with any other listeners of how to do it for you. And there's a lot of little steps and little details you can get into it, but at its very core, it's made out by the industry to be incredibly complicated. But on its very basic level, there's a basic level that can be as simple as possible. Of course, with anything, it can be as simple as possible and be as complicated as possible. I'm telling you, you can get good returns with a very, very simple method. And that's something everybody needs to know about. And as an individual investor, you can do it. And that I would like to show people the way.